Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. This is Cherise and I have an amazing opportunity for you. Today's job comes from Rocket Money and they have a remote position offering $100,000. Yes, I want to let you know though, before we get into the details of the position, you will need a resume for this position. Yes, your generic everyday used and tired resume will not cut it. You will need a resume tailored specifically for this position. And this is where I can help. Link below, I have a DIY resume kit where you'll get a template for your resume, your cover letter, and your reference pages. It'll also come with a list of skills, keywords, and power phrases you can use on your resume. And if you're thinking, okay, Cherise, I have been applying, my resume is not working, I need professional support, then I got you. I have a one-on-one resume rewrite session and consultation where we'll sit down together. We'll go through your experience and everything you've accomplished in your career, and I will write your resume for you to make sure your resume gets through these ATS systems and to the people that matter. So before we get into the details of the job, I like to start us out with a little bit of motivation and inspiration to get us going. So today's quote comes from Stephen R. Covey, and he says, I am not a product of my circumstances. I am a product of my decisions. This quote is so powerful because it means no matter what you've been through, no matter where you come from and what your circumstances are today, you can decide to change. You can decide for better. I love that. We have the power to make decisions now and today that are going to help us in our future. So, as you're looking for this job, you have the power in your hands. You can apply to this job. And I promise you today, this is an easy one. A six-figure job, it is fairly easy and no degree required. This is a gem, y'all. So, let's get into the details of the position. So today, Rocket Money is looking for a customer relationship management associate, CRM associate for short. Again, this is going to be a remote position. So if you have not heard of Rocket Money, their mission is to empower people to live their best financial lives. Rocket Money offers members a unique understanding of their finances and a suite of valuable services that save them time and money, ultimately giving them a leg up in their financial journey. So let's look at the role. So within Rocket Money, they see the CRM program as an extension of their products, with over 200 triggered campaigns generated towards activating, engaging, and retaining members. Their small but mighty CRM team is looking for a CRM associate slash manager to help further accelerate. With a focus on activation, engagement, and retention, you'll be responsible for both setting up campaigns, measuring results, and socializing learnings to both senior leaders and cross departments. So if you are familiar or have background with CRMs, with sending emails in a business sense, and we're going to look a little bit further about what they're asking you for. But a CRM is such as a system like a MailChimp or a Active Campaign or any of those systems where you are sending emails. This is going to be very similar, but the scale will just be a little bit bigger. But let's move on down and see what they are looking for. So the CRM program comprises of push, email, content card, native cards, and our mobile app that we can personalize, and in-app pop-ups, full screen takeovers in our mobile app that we can personalize. Okay, that gives you a breadth of the type of information you are going to be creating and pushing out to the audience. So they're saying we also use our CRM program to vapor test concepts, validate demand by assessing interest. You will work with multiple members of a larger product team to set up experiments so we can together Learn where to focus our energies. So you're going to be working with the team here as well. So those skills will be important. This is a great opportunity for the right candidate to learn from industry veterans that have continually demonstrated their ability of moving metrics in the right direction. So they're looking for someone who's going to come in and learn. And I love that because it lets you know they're going to teach you, they're going to train you, they're going to make sure you understand how they work and work with them to achieve the goals. So they're looking for someone who is a learner, who is ready to get their hands dirty and learn something new in this position. And I love that. They will teach you and help you be where they need you to be. So let's keep moving on down. You will support CRM leadership increase throughput by executing campaigns in Braze and measuring results. Okay, so you're going to be executing, developing these email campaigns. You're also going to be within Braze, you will manage audience segments, set triggered campaigns that are cross platform, and set up customer journeys. Ingest learnings from campaigns to provide recommendations on iterative tests by providing hypotheses and how we plan to measure slash validate success. You're going to partner with the design team to share direction for campaigns and work through iterations to create assets. Stay up to date with industry trends and best practices in email marketing and CRM. And I love that. If you have some knowledge or experience in working in CRMs, maybe in a small business, as an entrepreneur, or with an entrepreneur, or within a small or medium sized business, this is a position you can absolutely do. Plus, they're telling you they're going to help train you. So, this is something that you can grow into, even if you are not, you know, many years of experience, you can do this job. So let's look at about who they're looking for. So they're only asking you to have 1 to 2 years of experience in email marketing, CRM, and a related field. They're also asking you to be comfortable running A/B tests and analyzing performance metrics. You have strong communication skills and project management skills. You are detail oriented and skills in analyzing campaign data. Look at this. Familiarity with tools like Braze and Amplitude are a plus, but not required. They're a plus. And they're asking that you are passionate about learning and growing in your role and enjoy collaborating with cross functional teams. So they're looking for strong communication, project management. It sounds like they're actually going to teach you the tools if you have not used these specific tools before. But more importantly, they want you to be passionate about learning and growing in your role. That is key. I love this because it sounds like they're going to teach you the skills to be successful in this role. And one thing I did not see here is a degree requirement. So that is a plus. No degree required for this position and only 1 to 2 years of experience in email marketing, CRM, or a related field. And if you're saying, okay, I have some experience, should I apply? I would go online, maybe find a short course or a free certification that you can do fairly quickly to get abreast of what the current trends are in email marketing. The beauty of this role is that they're going to teach you on the job. They're really looking for someone who is passionate about learning and growing, who is going to, like we set up here, they're looking for someone who is going to learn from industry veterans. So they're going to support you in your development in this position. As long as you have some experience, some familiarity with email marketing, how A/B tests work, how looking at the metrics, analyzing the data. If you have some experience in those tasks, I still think this would be a great position for you to apply to. And again, if you need support with getting your resume for this position, I have my DIY resume kit linked below. You're going to get the template for your resume, your cover letter, and your reference pages, as well as a list of keywords, a list of paraphrases that you can use on your resume. So let's move on down to what they offer. What are some of the benefits of this position? So they're saying that you will get health, dental, vision plans, competitive pay, 401k matching, unlimited PTO, and these items if you were in the office, such as daily lunch, coffee, snacks, commuter benefits. So that sounds amazing to me. So let's look at the salary range for this position. This range is starting at $70,000 all the way up to $100,000. And they're saying this base pay may vary depending on job related skills, knowledge, and experience. So if you have some experience using CRMs, developing emails and emails campaign and doing A/B testing, looking at data, looking at analyzing different metrics related to email, and also communicating and working with a team, I think this will be a great opportunity for you. So, again, if you need support getting that resume together for this position, I have my DIY resume kit linked below to make sure your resume includes all of these key words. So your resume is going to stand out. And also where it speaks to your passion, your values, what's important to you, because they're looking for a learner. They're looking for someone who's passionate and someone who will fit in with the team. And if you're thinking, okay, I need professional support getting my resume together, then I got you. I have a one-on-one resume consultation and rewrite session where we'll sit down together on Zoom and we'll talk about your experience and everything you've accomplished in your career. And I will craft your resume for you. So if you like these type of jobs and these type of listings, please like this video and also subscribe to my channel because I put out new videos every single week. And these jobs do not last long. So you do not want to miss a posting. You want to turn on those notifications so you see every single job that I list. So thank you so much for being here. Down in the comments, let me know how your job search is going. Let me know what types of positions you are looking for. And just know I am in your corner. I'm rooting for you and you got this. Thank you so much. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.